across to some big breaking news now coming in from the national capital. The Election Commission is all set to announce the dates for the Delhi Assembly election later today. The announcement by the Election Commission can be expected at 2 p.m. today. A press conference will be held by the ECI to announce the schedule for the election to Legislative Assembly of the National Capital Territory of Delhi. The ECI will be holding its presser at Vigyan Bhavan later today at 2 p.m. State said for the elections in the national capital. Now let's go across to Riyanka, my colleague, giving us more details on that. Riyanka, ECI press conference expected today at 2 p.m. How soon do you think the elections can be held? We're expecting them sometime in February.
That's right. That is a big development coming in from the side of the Election Commission of India that has now issued a notification of the fact that there is going to be a press conference today where the ECI is all set to announce the dates for the Delhi elections. The wait is now over. We know that all eyes were on, this very announcement that is going to be taking place today at 2 p.m. That is the time that has been given from the side of the Election Commission of India. And we know this election is going to be happening on 70 assembly seats in the national capital, and yes, it is going to be a triangular competition between the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP and the Congress Party. Remember, it is quite significant for the BJP this time, given the fact that they have been ousted in the national capital since 1998, which is why they are trying the level best to oust the Aam Aadmi Party and come back to ruling the national capital. On the other hand, the Congress Party also trying to get their hands back on the national capital since the last since 2013, it has been gone away from the Congress Party, which is why it is a high stakes battle that is going to be happening in the national capital for 70 assembly seats, which is why all eyes are going to be on the EC today that is going to announce the elections, the dates for elections today at around 2 p.m. And as per sources are concerned, the dates are likely to be somewhere around the second week of February. And we know that from the sides of the parties, they've already begun campaigning in order to woo the voters, even ahead of the official announcement of the date.
Okay. Thank you, Riyanka, for joining us. In fact, Akhil, my colleague, is also joining me now. Akhil, Riyanka tells us that elections in Delhi are expected in the second week of February. It's, of course, going to be a triangular contest between the AAP, BJP and the Congress. What more are you picking up?
Well, Kriti, if you see, at this point in time, it's a triangular contest because after 27 years, the BJP is trying to make a comeback in the national capital. If you talk about Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, he was a two-term, he basically completed 2 terms in the national capital. And this time, the Congress party seems to be re-energized this time also, and they are trying to take a head-on during this election. Because if you see, if you talk about several constituencies in the national capital, if you just talk about the New Delhi constituency where Arvind Kejriwal from the Aam Aadmi Party will be taking a head-on contest with Pravesh Verma. Pravesh Verma is the son of former Chief Minister of Delhi, Sahib Singh Verma. And if you see from the Congress Party, Sandeep Dixit, who is the son of Ms. Sheila Dixit, late Sheila Dixit. So this time this contest is going to be very critical at this point in time. But if you see, all eyes are on Election Commission because this afternoon around 2 p.m. the Election Commission is going to announce the dates for the upcoming Delhi Assembly polls. Yes, Kriti, back to you.
All right, thank you, Akhil and Riyanka, for joining us and sharing those updates with us. Viewers, the Delhi election poll date announcement expected today at 2 p.m. in the ECI presser. It's time now for a very quick break on this bulletin, but stay tuned to Republic.